In this video, I'll show you how to set up Meta Pixel on WordPress. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Before you begin, make sure you've already created a Meta Pixel in your Meta Events Manager. Next, go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for the official Meta Pixel for WordPress plugin or another compatible Meta Pixel plugin, then install and activate it. After that, open the plugin settings and connect your Meta account, or paste your Meta Pixel ID if the plugin asks for it. Now choose the events you want to track, such as page view, purchase, add to cart, or lead, depending on your website and business goals. Next, save your settings and visit your website to make sure the pixel is active. You can also use the Meta Pixel Helper browser extension to verify that your pixel is firing correctly. Finally, return to Meta Events Manager to confirm that your website is sending events successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Meta Pixel on WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.